Hey everybody, this is Synops. Let's go and check our application and see what we have done up until now and what we have to do. So first I'm gonna close this app. Okay, so spider.py, here's where we left off the last time we wrote the application. Well, yes. Okay, so this is the application that we have written down up until now, and well, it seems that it's working fine. Let's test it and see if it is. So this is a Syrian topic. We're gonna copy the link of the first page of it, and then we're gonna say, well, Python spider.py, and then the link. So let's see what's happening. Well, a loop, not a page crawled, not a page crawled. Well, it seems that it's doing okay, but let's check out some couple of things. So let's see if we're actually crawling the pages. So I'm going to create a new function here. This I'm going to say, well, the def find post. It's going to take in a self, and then our soap file. It's content, really easy. So we're going to say for post in soap.select. Let's go and check out our post. So this is a post. We're gonna inspect one. Okay, so here it is. Let's take it on its own page. So okay, here we are. So this is just a paragraph. It's a block quote. Post body, post class, post wrap. So we have a post wrap, which is actually only taking one post. So we're gonna say select a post wrap. So if I remember right, so post underline wrap, and so we wanted this, and actually so what we want to do is I want to save all the posters in this page. So I want to crawl the page. Where am I? So I want to crawl this page. I want to select all these post wraps and then save them in a list. So we're gonna create a list first. So post list, maybe post list. It's a list. Okay, so then there we're gonna say self dot post list dot append, and we're gonna say, so definitely append the post. And as we I kind of remember what we did last time. So for post, let's just give some space there. For post in post list, so in post list, we would do just print the post.find. I guess it was pan. So let's just. So where is our Peter class piece pan? Well, it's not that. Engagement. Well, post entry content. Let's see if you can get anything other than that. So a block quotes. Okay, so we want this name. I was mistaken. I'm sorry. I was searching for something wrong. So span itemprop, and well, its name was something that we wanted. So we want the span and these spans that their itemprop property is equal to name. So let's write that down. So I want span, and I want spans that their itemprop is, as you can see, it's a dictionary. So itemprop is equal to name, and I want their text. So I want their text. So this is what our application is gonna give us, and if we're crawling everything right, we want to, before this soap.return, what I want to do is I want to say self.find post. So soap.find post, and I'm going to give it a soap. So what we're going to do, and what's going to happen is, as we crawl pages, we're going to get the name of the posters. So if we're doing everything right, we're going to get the list of names, and we're going to be okay. So let's see what happens. Okay, post list crawl instance has no attributes. Okay, post list. So let's see what happens. So let's see what we have. Okay, I didn't save the code. I'm sorry for that. So let's do it again. Okay, line 55. Find posts of the post list dot depend crawl instance has no attribute post list. Huh. But we have one. Post list is equal to that. So post list dot depend. Okay, we don't need this self here. Okay, so post list. Let's see if our problem is fixed. Well, list has no attribute as append, so we have a typo now. Dot append, as you can see, I guess it was with double P's. Yeah, it is double P's. So append, save it and see if we're okay. Yeah, okay, so we have names, not a page crawled, Ironian, yeah, so we're getting the same page over and over again. So let's stop it. So here are the names of the two last guys, and yeah, so not a page crawled. So we're just repeating ourselves, and obviously we have a problem in here. When I was just checking out around my code, we had some problems. So we're just crawling this next page over and over again. So this is the next. We just got the next page one time, and we haven't changed it. So we have a problem about it. I'm gonna just delete all of this code. And so I'm going to write it down again. So we're going to say try. I've changed this code. So we have something as state, and it's none. So state is none. We have a landing page or current page, and just changing it to landing page. So landing page is equal to self.crawl maybe, and we're gonna pass it a URL. So landing page is okay, and we're gonna get the last page. So last page is equal to self dot find last page, and we're gonna get this the landing page. So landing page, and after the well, we need a next page too. So actually, I don't think that we're gonna need that by now. So while last page, so while state isn't equal to last page. Okay, so now we're gonna say self dot crawl. Actually, let's say something. So current page maybe. So current page is equal to self dot crawl of the URL that's passed. So that's it. We have a current page. Then we're gonna say state is equal to self dot crawl of the next page. So, but we haven't created that next page yet. So I think we're gonna create it then, and then next page is equal to self that find the next page, and it's gonna search for the state. So this is it. And well, I think it's gonna be okay, and we will be doing what we're doing by now. So I don't know why we would need this by now, so I'm gonna just delete it. So let's do an exception in here and just print out program terminated. Terminated. If I wrote it right, so terminated. I have terminated or something. Let's see if our problem is fixed by now. So okay, so program terminated. Very good. Okay, just I guess problem is this next page in here. So I'm gonna just add that. So next page. Oh, I'm sorry. Next page is equal to self-defined the next page, and we're gonna give it the landing page. Let's check if it's okay, and if we have, so next page is assigned but never used. Okay, so okay, now let's recheck it and see what's happening. So okay, so we have very awesome. So our names are changing, and that's a good thing, I guess. Okay, our names changed, and I think we have fixed the problem. Okay. So maybe we should change the URL in here. URL is equal to next page, maybe. And let's see what's gonna happen now, because in that code we had the first page just crawling again and again because of this URL self.crawl URL. So redline, mighty army, and well, our code didn't work. So let's just, for now, we're gonna clean this out, and actually we're gonna come back to it because we have some more important thing and stuff to do. So again, now as you can see, we have in here something for our code if our given address is wrong or something. So this isn't gonna do anything at all again. And while I was looking at my code, I saw this problem now, and so we're gonna fix it somehow. And actually, to fix this, all we have to do is just move a bit this while loop and stuff around, and it's gonna be okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up, but without anything. So recheck count is equal to 5. Okay, and we're gonna say while recheck count is bigger than 0. So do this. So we just passed all the code that we had, and now let's do so. While we have a chance to check everything, so check if it gives us back the 200 or not. Say something happened, sleep for 1 second, and recheck. Well, we don't need this recheck count. So, and we don't need this too, so, and even we don't know if we want this too. So yeah, we don't want this too, so we're gonna just say continue. So continue, and we must be okay. So, and actually we may want to move this code around in here, and then we're gonna fix this. So here we go. Okay, so we have everything. Option false, but I don't think of a situation that we need that, so I hope that thing is fixed by now. Let's just give it a wrong address, just blah blah blah, and see what's gonna happen. Something happened, so something happened, something happened, something happened. Well, error number 404 happened and program terminated. Well, pretty good for now. We just fixed a couple of our problems. So something happened, maybe. So something happened. Trying for that time. And well, we're gonna have to say so. Check count, and I guess, well, our numbering wouldn't feel so good, but okay, so we have a problem. Okay, so we shouldn't have this. So we're okay by now. Something happened for 5th time, 4th time, 3rd time, 2nd time, 1st time, and well, error number 404 happened. So, or we could have just deny all this code and don't have it, but we're gonna have it. It's gonna be fine and fun to have an error system. So it's our crawling page, and well, all of its problems maybe solved. So save the file, and let's see how does it work again. So we have some names. So we're just doing everything okay, let's check something out. Maybe our problem lives in here. So let's see what's going to happen. We have the page Madi Army is in Lash, Ironing, Gripping, and our problem is solved. We don't get that error again. So we're really crawling the pages one by one, and we're doing exactly as we would love and we would like. So this problem solved too, and as much as I hate to do this, but let's just well, delete this part of the code. So we're okay with this, and then we're gonna have to delete the self.posts too. And I guess, so what's the problem with this guy? So missing white space around the operator, line too long. Okay, well the line is too long. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything about that. So actually, so let's just save it and call it a day. Our application is doing what we wanted to do. We're crawling the pages one by one, and we have something like a error system in here. Maybe we could have just changed this thing, like if we had this like equal to 1, and we had this up until 5, and we had it like plus, save it, and so we're gonna save this, and here's the wrong code. Let's see what's gonna happen. So error number 404 happened. Well, really good, but we didn't have that a couple of times of trying, so I don't know what happened and why we're not getting into the loop. So while recheck count is, well, okay, less than, well, we had to check that too, so, and we didn't remember, so here's the code again and trying it. Let's see if all the problems have been solved. So the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, and we're okay. I'm Richard Stallman, counting from zeros and calling a day. So thank you for watching, and bye. Well, actually I just came back because we have to do something. So what's that? Let's just close this off and go back to our Firefox browser to see what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna get to our GitHub page. Okay, I'm not logged in. Well, get status. Okay, our spider.py, we have to, well, update it, and we had a problem with our requirements.txt, but I have fixed it. I don't know how it did fix, but I fixed it right now. So pip freeze requirements.txt, and I guess it's gonna be okay. So our military spider, let's see about that. Okay, we have it. Less requirements.txt, and okay, we have it. Beautiful self version, BS4 version, which are the same stuff. I don't know why they're included 2 times in requests module. So that's all we have been using up until now. So okay, so control it, git status. So we have 2 files which we need to be added and stuff. So that am and complete it. Why it doesn't do that? Okay, let's just get add spider and get status. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I guess it's what we wanted to do. So spider.py. My internet is really slow right now, so get push. I don't know if I need to do anything other than that. So username, okay, synops, and well, I don't remember my passwords too, so authentication failed. Get push. Well, I guess it's synops and everything's up to date. Okay. I don't think so, brother. But let's see what's gonna happen. So time if our changes have been okay, so we don't have our changes. Hit commit-m, was it? Completed the crawling app? Oh my god. Wow, that was awesome. Get status. How did I lose that thing on branch master? Well, okay, so we have get push. We're gonna do everything that we need, so synops, and I'm gonna set that global thing, so we're going to be fine with that. And okay, so if we just refresh this page, I guess we're gonna be seeing some new things. So spider.py 2 months ago, I have came back to it after 2 months. I didn't have the time to fix those problems. It took about 10 to 12, 15 minutes maybe. And as you can see, I really lose everything. I have a poor memory. And my internet is so slow today. I don't know why, but it's happening to me. Thanks Iranian government for doing this to us. It takes a year or a century to just refresh a page. And here's our requirements.txt as we needed it. So completed the crawling app and 2 minutes ago. Awesome. Let's just emacs. What files do we have? So roadmap.org, and as you could remember, we have a to-do list. So let's see what's gonna happen later. So what do we do in this video? Well, this isn't the part about us, our spider to-do list. So create an app to crawl the website. So we've done it. Our next part would be about create an app to find the posts that we want and save them on database. So we're gonna, in the next video, we're gonna create a database, we're gonna connect to that database, we're gonna create an app to find the posts that we want, and then we're gonna save those posts to that database file. I guess we're gonna use SQLite for this, and if that wasn't slow or couldn't cope with us and do what we want, we're gonna use another system like MySQL, or maybe I would just go for something like I don't know, maybe something like NoSQL. Like, I don't know anything about them. We would just have to go on and learn stuff as we need them. So, and this is a live coding session. I don't know things ahead. I just think about them. I just write them down, and I'm not teaching anybody. I'm just learning myself. So thank you for watching. If you watch, tell me what you think about it. Thank you and bye.